All right, check it out. Our friends at YANKA have sent me some speakers. Now, they've sent me speakers in the past, and I've been extremely impressed with them. Even 6 months later, my car's still rocking. I still really like the speakers, so I expect these to be just as cool. These are marine speakers, so they're waterproof, salt-proof, and UV protection. Now, obviously, you can use them in a boat, but you could also use them in a car. Maybe you have a Jeep and you have the top out, or some type of convertible where it could potentially get wet. You might want to check these out. Inside the box, I feel like they're packaged very well. You have the highs in the middle, and you have the lower speakers, and you have this nice cage. Now, it is a plastic, but it is a hard plastic. It doesn't seem like it flexes at all. It seems like it's nicely made. This is what's in the box. You have some speaker wire for both speakers, this module, and this remote so that you can change the colors, because these do light up, which is pretty awesome. It also comes with a couple packs of screws. There's your two connections for your speakers, and that's where you connect the module for the lighting. You can see that there's a foam on the back here just to seal everything up nice. So I made a waterproof box so that we can try these out. There's the color changing. All you have to do is hook 12 volts up, power and ground to the wire. And then you have the remote. Let's see the remote. And the remote works well. Oh, you can have it flash and pick the colors?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. And they sound really good. This is an old band CD, so but let's try it. Overall thoughts, I think these speakers are pretty cool. They sound great. It's cool that they're weatherproof. The glowing is pretty neat. I like the changing color. So if you're interested in these speakers, there'll be an affiliate link in the description. That's going to help support this channel, and it's not going to cost anything extra for you. I think they're pretty sick. They work well. Great sound, great bass, great highs. Just as good as the car speakers I already have. Thanks, YANKA.